Yes, good evening student. We are going to do the last topic of the digestive system. We already today discuss it in the class, but only few students was there. So again I'm just doing this topic for you. This is the villi. Okay, they are the finger-like projections in the small intestine. Okay, and in the ileum part of the small intestine, they are in the abundant and they help to in the absorption of the nutrients. Okay, so here they absorb, epithelial lining is there, it's very thin and it's specialized to absorb, and blood capillaries are there. Then there is an intake of the food absorbed and blood in the blood capillaries, and occur both of the passive and active processes होते हैं दोनों के दोनों. ठीक है, and then they transport. Here the food is taken, ठीक है, nutrients are taken by the blood and then send it to the blood, take the food to the other parts of the body. Glucose is stored as the glycogen in the liver and muscles. Okay, and every cell, it also reaches the every cell. Amino acids are absorbed by the individual cells. Okay, तो assimilation जो है फूड की वो यहाँ से ही होती है. It also absorbed by the individual cells in a small quantity, and then the food goes to the mitochondria, and then the oxidation take place. In the large intestine, this is a large intestine. Large intestine has the three parts: cecum, colon and rectum. ठीक है, then here 1 to nearly it's 2 meter long and 4 to 6 centimeter wide in diameter. तो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से बहुत ही छोटा होता है, लेकिन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन जो है बहुत ही उसका डायमीटर बहुत कम होता है, इसका डायमीटर ज़्यादा होता है, लगभग डबल होता है उससे. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कोई भी डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स नहीं होते, कुछ किसी चीज़ का डाइजेशन नहीं होता, ओनली अब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर टेक प्लेस ओवर हियर. ओके, एंड फूड इज़ रेडी टू फॉर द इजेशन to remove out from the. Then cecum is a small pouch like here you can see, this is the vermiform appendix भी यहीं पे होता है, इसके साथ भी वेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन है हमारी बॉडी का. ठीक है, और ये जितने भी हर्बीवोर्स हैं उनमें काम करता है, हमारे में इसका कोई फंक्शन नहीं होता. सो अगर इसमें इन्फेक्शन हो जाए तो इट कैन बी वेरी डेंजरस फॉर द ह्यूमन एंड द पर्सन कैन बी डाई. ओके, so here then colon is the next part. It is a major part of the large intestine, and here the some of the glands are mucus glands are present. Okay, the most of the absorption of water from the undigested food take place in this area, and then the several bacteria is also living in the colon, and here some of them excrete the bacteria that excrete vitamin K and B. Okay, that's also absorbed with the water, and some then gas formation in the alimentary canal, mostly due to these bacteria. Okay, then rectum is the last part of the small the large intestine. ठीक है, broader than colon होता है, 13 to 15 centimeter, and fecal matter stored over here. Okay, undigested food, now it converted into the feces, then it stores. The feeling of defecation appears when the fecal matter enter to the rectum, जैसे ही आ जाता है, and sphincter muscles कंट्रोल करती है, एनस के थ्रू जो है डिफेसिकेशन हो जाती है, उसको बाहर थ्रोन आउट, द अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड थ्रोन आउट फ्रॉम द बॉडी. देन फ्यू टर्म्स आर देयर, यू हैव टू नो दैट इंजेशन क्या होता है, डाइजेशन, एब्जॉर्प्शन, असैमिलेशन, इजेशन. Ingestion is the intake of food, okay, solid food. Then digestion is a breakdown of complex food molecules into the simpler one body can absorb it. Absorption, the nutrients absorbed by the blood, okay, in the small intestine. Then assimilation is the, here is the assimilation. Assimilation is the conversion of absorbed nutrients molecule into the complex for the storage. Okay, and the formation of protoplasmic constituents. Then egestion is the defecation, expulsion means thrown out the fecal matter, undigested food from the body. Okay, with this the chapter is complete. Now we will start the revision from the first chapter. Okay.